I didn't mean to shout. I lost my temper. It just happened. Many times, as parents, teachers, or even as adults, in daily life, we say such things. But have you ever stopped and asked yourself, was I reacting or was I responding? Let's understand the difference in a simple way. Reacting is when we act without thinking. It comes from anger, frustration, fear, stress. It happens very fast, like an explosion. For example, your child spills the water on the floor. You immediately shout, "Can't you see properly? You always make a mess. ये क्या कर दिया?" This is reacting. Reacting is emotional. It's automatic. And most of the time, it creates more problems instead of solving them. Responding is when we pause, think, and then act calmly. I know, it's not that easy. सुनने में आसान लगता है, but करने में नहीं. Yes, it comes from understanding, patience, and awareness. Let's take the same situation, water spills. So instead of shouting, you say calmly, "It's okay. Accidents happen. Let's clear it together. I hope you are not hurt." See, this is responding. Responding teaches children responsibility without fear. इतना भी मुश्किल नहीं लग रहा है ना? Why do we react so quickly? Because we are humans. We are tired, we have stress, we have expectations. And sometimes our childhood experiences come out. Maybe we were shouted at, so without realizing, we do the same. But the good news is, reacting is a habit and responding is a skill. And skill can be learned. See, reacting में होगा shouting, pushing quickly, speaking in anger, which in turn hurts relationship. And while in responding, there will be a calm voice, clear boundaries, and teaching moments, which in turn builds trust. When we constantly react, children become scared. They hide mistakes. They feel not good enough. They may become angry too. So they learn that shouting is the way to solve problems. But when we respond, children feel safe. They learn problem solving. They respect boundaries. They open up to parents. They learn emotional control by watching us. So children don't learn from what we say. They learn from what we do. The power of pause. Before reacting, try this simple trick. Pause for 5 seconds. Take one deep breath and ask yourself, will shouting solve this? Most of the time, the answer will be no. That small pause can change reaction into response. Small daily practice. Today, try to notice that how many times you react and how many times you respond. No guilt, just awareness. Changes start with awareness. Realization is the key. अगर आप उसको डिफरेंशिएट करना समझ जाएंगे तो आपके रिएक्शन को रिस्पॉन्डिंग में बदलना आपके लिए काफ़ी आसान हो जाएगा. Train your brains. Responding takes efforts, but it builds strong relationship, emotionally healthy children, and peaceful home environment. Let me share some practical tips to respond instead of react. So first of all, breathe before speaking. Lower your voice because children listen better to calm voices. Get down to their eye level. Acknowledge feelings first. For example, first you need to say that, "I see you are angry. I know you are upset." Then guide them. Instead of saying कि कोई ज़रूरत नहीं गुस्सा होने की. ये क्या बात है? इसमें क्या गुस्सा होना है? इतने भी बड़े नहीं हो गए हो तुम. आपको बस उनके पास जाकर प्यार से पूछना है कि क्या हो गया बेटा, मुझे बताओ, हम साथ में इसे सॉल्व करते हैं. बस वहीं पर उनका आधा गुस्सा ठंडा हो जाता है. It was homework time in the evening. The house was quiet, but the tension was in the air. Ria sat at the table with her notebook open. Her mother stood nearby, reminding her again and again, "Finish your work, Ria. Ria, jaldi karo. Ria, fast." Suddenly, Ria pushed the notebook away and said, I don't want to do this. The mother felt her patient snap. In that moment, she reacted. She said sharply, enough. Sit properly and finish it now. Ria's shoulders dropped. Her eyes looked down. She wasn't being stubborn anymore. She was feeling overwhelmed. The homework got done, but with fear, not understanding. Now let's look at the same moment again. Ria pushes the notebook away and says, I don't want to do this. This time, the mother paused. She noticed Ria's face. She sat beside her and responded. She said softly, it looks like you're feeling tired. Is this too much right now? Ria nodded. The mother replied, let's take a 5 minutes break. Then we will do just two sums together. Ria took a deep breath. Homework became manageable and the child felt heard. देखा एक छोटे बदलाव से कितना फर्क पड़ गया. Reacting controls the moment, but responding connects with the child. When we respond, we teach children how to handle emotions, not to fear them. Pause before you speak. Your calm today becomes their calm tomorrow. Situation of the session is you are already getting late for work. Your child is moving very slowly and still not wearing the shoes and just wasting the time. अब क्या करें, एक तो मुझे ऑलरेडी लेट हो रहा है और ये सुन नहीं रहा है, क्या करोगे? This kind of situations must be very common nowadays. But as a good parent, you can respond like, I'm glad you told me this. It takes courage to say what you really want to do. Tell me more. What kind of content do you really want to create? What excites you about being a YouTuber? I won't say yes or no immediately because my job is to help you think clearly, not to stop your dreams. You continue your studies seriously and at the same time, we create small plan for your YouTube journey. If you show commitment, patience and growth, I will support you. Dreams are important beta, but turning them into reality needs efforts, not shortcuts. आपका जवाब भले हाँ हो या ना हो, या भले वो आपसे ज़्यादा जानते हो, पर आपको उनको रियलाइज करवाना है और सही गाइड करना है. यही आपका काम है. Parenting is not about being perfect. It's about improving little by little every day. Next time something goes wrong, pause, breathe, and respond. Your child will thank you for it. Not today maybe, but in future. So train your brains as every child deserves an aware parent. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. And don't forget to click on the subscribe button.